Okay, so I am going to explain what the letter A, the two sounds that the letter A makes um, in the American English language. So the short A makes two sounds, the E, short E, and the short A, like air, like apple. So here goes. So apple, ant, cab, van, man, ham, cat. You see how it's not apple or aunt, cob, von, mon. In America, we have two sounds for the A, which is yeah, a. Okay, so that's the short A. The long A also has two sounds, but it's more like a short E and a Latin I, like A. So here goes. Angel, cake, male, snake, table, x-ray, daisy. Yeah, so those are the two sounds of the American A, and there are variations with the short A, but basically these are the two sounds. And we can probably touch upon the other sounds later on, but for now, this is good. Okay, so I hope that I helped you understand these sounds and that you can practice using them. All right. Okay, so the AR sound, the R sound. I am going to attempt to show you how to make that. I know it's sometimes hard for non-native English speakers, American English speakers, to pronounce that word, that sound. So it all has to do with the placing of your tongue. So, the sides of your tongue are going to touch the top of your teeth. They're going to touch the top of your teeth. And the tip of your tongue, it's going to curve up, but it's not going to touch the roof of your mouth. So the only thing that's going to touch is the sides of your mouth, of your tongue to the top of your teeth. And the tip of your tongue is going to curve, but it's not going to touch anything, like R. See, it's not touching. It's not touching anything. Okay, so let's practice that. Car, star, far, mar, tar. Okay, mark, farm, alarm. So with alarm, the L is in between both of your, the top and the bottom teeth. Alarm. So that's how you pronounce it. Alarm. And now we're going to go into the ARD sound. ARD, when you say that, it's the same. The sides of your tongue are going to touch the top of your teeth, but the tip of your tongue, when you're saying the R, is going to touch the top of your the roof of your mouth, because you have to do the D sound. D. And in order to do that, you have to touch the roof of your of your mouth. So card, card. So again, yeah, it'll touch the top of your teeth, and as soon as you're gonna do the D, card, you're gonna touch the roof of your mouth, card. And let's practice. Card, hard, card, hard. And the same with the T. when you're doing the ART, you also have to touch the roof of your mouth to do the T sound. So t, t, you have to touch the roof of your mouth. So art, part, smart, start. It's a little tricky one. Start, cart, dart. So practice making the AR sound and refer to this video as often as you need to so that you can practice doing the AR sounds. And now we're going to move on to the S and H, the S and the SH, the S and the sh sounds. So your mouth is straight, and shh, your mouth flares. It flares. It does goes like this. Shh. So let's practice that. Sam, sham. See, she. Sock, shock. Sign, shine. Mess, mesh. Fist, fished. Seep, sheep. Sip, ship. Sop, shop. Sun, shun. Soar, shore. Now with soar, your mouth is going to make that O sound, but it's going to flare a little bit, but it's not going to flare as much as when you do the sh sound. See, it goes like that. But with the swords, soar, shore, soar, soar, shore. What else? Suit, same. It flares a little bit to make the oo sound. So suit and shoot. Suit, shoot. Sue, shoe. Gas, gash. Sag, shag. Gust, gush. Sass, sash. Okay, so those are the AR sound and the S and the SH sound. I hope that I helped you understand a little bit how to pronounce them. Okay. Okay. So the OR sound. The OR sound, unlike the AR sound where the sides of your tongue touch the top of your teeth, the sides of your tongue are not going to touch your top of your teeth. They're just going to be in the middle of your mouth, not touching your teeth. And the tip of your tongue is going to curve, but it's not going to touch the roof of your mouth. So let's try it. Or, nor, war, morning. So when you say morning, when you do the N is going to touch the roof of your mouth. It's going to touch because in order to make the N, it's going to touch it. So morning, born, corn. Now soar, that doesn't touch anything. Your tongue is just going to be in the middle of your mouth without touching the teeth, and your tongue is going to just curve a little bit. I wish I could put a camera inside my mouth, but yeah, so your tongue's going to curve a little bit, but it's not going to touch the roof of your mouth. So soar, norm, horn, there it touches the roof of your mouth to make the N sound. Horn, torn. So I hope I was able to get you to understand how to make that sound. It's kind of difficult, but the only way I could say that you'll get it is just by practicing. Okay, so now this is a fun one. The TN, words with TN sound. So we tend to shorten words in American English. We don't say the whole word sometimes because we speak so fast. So a lot of times we just drop the T and make a hard N. So mountain becomes mountain. So we just kind of stop right before the T and then add the N sound. So mountain, cotton, kitten, certain, fountain, curtain, forgotten, shorten, bitten. Let's use them in sentences. You'll see it just flows better when we're speaking. So mountain. I went up the mountain. Instead of mountain, I went up the mountain. That's slow, and certainly you can say that. But when you're speaking, Americans speak so fast, they usually don't pronounce the T. It's just, I guess it's easier when you're speaking, it flows better. So mountain. And cotton, like I need a cotton ball. Instead of I need a cotton ball, we say I need a cotton ball. Look at my new kitten. I am certain I saw him. Let's meet by the fountain. I like that curtain color. I had forgotten that you were coming. Please shorten that sentence. The puppy had bitten all the way through the shoe. So, yeah, that's a fun one. So, certainly not all TNs are shortened, but a lot. So I'll teach you more about that, what words we do cut and what words we don't, what words we shorten and what words we don't shorten in another video. Okay.